What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm here with Lily and Frenchie. Today is April 17th, and today the GsF is coming out of storage. Hell yeah. I expected it to be a little warmer today than it is. They were saying about 42 degrees, but right now it's about 30. So we're gonna bundle up, get outside, take the car out, and finally enjoy it. So the weather here in Chicago is slowly starting to get better. I don't think there's any more snow anticipated, just rain. But when it's gonna rain, I'm not gonna drive it, just on nice sunny days. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, behind me we got the GsF still covered up. So what I'm going to basically do is revert the steps that I did when I made the video of how to store your GsF. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll put a link in the description. So we're basically going to undo the things we did. So we're going to disconnect it from the battery tender. As you remember, I put mothballs all around the car. We're going to get rid of those. Inside the engine bay, I put a few. I'm going to take those out. Remove the rags from the exhaust tips and the intake box. And then take the cover off, fold it up, and we'll fire this bad boy up. So I'm gonna pull this cover off, take it outside on the grass where I can roll it up real nice. We'll store this cover away for next winter. Great cover. Gather all the mothballs I put around the car inside the engine bay, and then we got to get the car off these flat stoppers. I got the mothballs. What I'm going to do is check the oil level on the car since it's been sitting for 4 months. I just want to see how it looks on the dipstick. Last time, the first oil change I had the dealer do, they overfilled it by about 12 ounces, so I had to siphon some out. So I just want to see where it is now, and then we'll get them off the flat stoppers, guys. As you could kind of see, it is right there. There's the dot, so the oil level stops right there. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but so we are right at the top where it should be. Perfect. Alright guys, so as you can see here in this corner, clearly I can't just back straight up because I'm gonna hit the garage. And since the car is on the flat stoppers, I'm gonna have to jack up the rear end, take them off, jack up the front, take them off. And the reason I have to do that is because when I was putting the car on initially on these, rear wheel drive, and I had the tarp underneath, so when I pulled up halfway and accelerated a little to get all the way over the hump, the rear tires spun and just pushed this backwards, and if we weren't up all the way on the front ones, so I had to manually jack up the front and put them on. So that's what we're gonna do for next year, though. I'm not gonna use the tarp underneath. So I got the car off the flat stoppers. It's time, guys. Cold start after 4 months of sitting, all right? Let's get into this right now. Let me get rid of some of these fresheners that I got in here. But the car does smell amazingly nice. Alright guys, just like that, the GSF is out of storage. I just checked all the tire pressures. I lowered them to 36 psi like it's recommended. Started up fine, no long cranking or anything thanks to the battery charger that was connected all for the 4 months. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down because there is a little bit of dust or whatnot on it. And then it's time for a drive. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. I got so many more mods already for this GSF. You don't know what's coming next. Please subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys on the next video.